Arch Linux has released its November 2025 ISO, bringing the latest updates to one of the most popular rolling release distributions. This new image ships with the Linux Kernel 6.17 series, offering improved hardware support, better performance, and enhanced compatibility with newer devices. The updated kernel ensures smoother operation across modern laptops, desktops, and servers, continuing Arch's commitment to staying on the bleeding edge of Linux technology. The new release also includes Archinstall 3.0.12, the latest version of Arch's guided installer. This update introduces a number of useful improvements, such as a new S flag for Arch, an option to skip bootloader configuration checks when no bootloader is selected, and the ability to save and load UKI settings. The update also replaces LifePad with L3 offbot in the LXQT profile, adds support for the Uzbek language, and installs fewer default apps unless explicitly chosen. These refinements make the installation process more flexible and user-friendly, especially for both new and advanced users. Pacman, Arch's powerful package manager, has also been updated to version 7.1. This version enhances the downloader's sandbox, adds key import and re-import functionality, introduces new options like wait for lock and remove for repo add, and improves Mushipacheg performance. These back-end improvements contribute to faster, more secure, and more efficient package management for users already running Arch Linux. There is no need to download the new ISO. Simply updating your system with sudo pacman soyu will bring all the latest changes. However, for those performing a fresh installation, this ISO provides the most up-to-date base with improved hardware detection and a smoother overall setup process. The November 2025 release once again demonstrates Arch Linux's dedication to providing a cutting-edge yet stable environment. Whether you be a long-time Arch user or a newcomer ready to explore a truly customizable Linux experience, this release delivers speed, simplicity, and control at their finest.